आप हमारे सामने देख सकते हैं तस्वीरों में जो दमकल की गाड़ी है ये अंदर जा रही है गली में जहाँ पे आग लगी हुई थी। यहाँ पे आग से ज्यादा जो है लोगों की मौत दम घुटने से हुई है। अभी आप जानकर सर ये बताइए ये कैसे लगी आग, क्या हुआ कुछ आप बताएं।
शॉर्ट सर्किट से आग लगी है।
Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about some problems of a domestic circuit, and after watching this video you should be able to explain the cause, effect and prevention of those problems. The problem number 1. To understand the problem number 1, I'll show you one video.
मुंह से आग निकल रहे, हम हार जाएंगे।
देखते। Enter the dragon. Enter the dragon. Enter the dragon. क्या यार?
ये खेल मैन, ड्रैगन वर्सेस टाइगर।
पुष्कल पोचो उड़ करने तलया पर रा नाता हडरा డ్రాగనాలు పడి పంజా పులి పద్ర రెడ్ పాయుండా హే పసితాల మిండు పుల్లి తింగదిడా टेल ऑफ द टाइगर
कैसे किया ने?
वो फायर है तो मैं वायर है।
टेल ऑफ द टाइगर।
हाँ वायर है।
Havils, wires that don't catch fire.
You have seen that in the video they are talking about the wires that don't catch fire. So why do we need the wire that don't catches fire? So let's see the problem. So the problem is short circuit. So sometimes what happens is the insulations of wires come out, and due to which the live wire and the neutral wire comes in direct contact with each other, and when this happens large amount of current flows through the circuit, and we know when the current flows through the circuit it heats up due to the heating effect, and with that heat the wire may catch fire, and if we don't take care of the fire on time this may happen. So a short circuit occurs when live wire and neutral wire comes in direct contact with each other, and due to the heating effect the wire may catch fire, and for that we need a wire of good quality that don't catches fire. So causes of short circuit: damaged wire insulation, loose connection. Sometimes inside an appliance live wire and neutral wire may come into contact like this, and it may cause fire, and moisture in the circuit is also a reason for short circuit. Preventions to avoid short circuit: so we should check our domestic circuit once a year for any damages, or we should use a circuit breaker or fuse of proper rating. So whenever there is excessive current the fuse should stop the current, and we should use the wire of good quality, and all the joints and naked wires should be taped properly. We should check the appliances for any damages of wire inside. Second problem. To understand the second problem, let us see one video.
अक्सर लोग घर में नया जकूजी बनाते हैं। कमल ने तो जकूजी में ही घर बना लिया। अब मजा उठा ही रहे थे कि जकूजी के लोड से एमसीबी हुआ ओवरलोड। इनके अरमान नए थे लेकिन एमसीबी वहीं पुराने। इसलिए
From the video you have understood that our second problem is overloading. Now let's understand the overloading by taking an example. So this is a live wire and neutral wire having the potential difference 220 volts. Suppose I am connecting a cell phone of resistance 100 ohm. So I'll connect like this. So the current flowing through the circuit will be I is equal to V by R, and potential difference is 220 volt and resistance is 100 ohm, so 2.2 amperes. Suppose I want to use the bulb also, so I'll connect the bulb in parallel with the cell phone. So in parallel we know the resistance decreases, so total resistance will be 50 ohm this time and current will be 4.4 ampere. Suppose I want to use one more appliance, I'll connect it in parallel again, so current will be 6.6 ampere. Now I'll connect one more appliance, fridge also, of resistance 100 ohm, then the current will be 8.8 ampere. So now one more, a mixture, now current is becoming 11. So we have seen that if you connect more and more appliance, the current through the circuit increases, and we know when the current increases the wires get heated up, and when it gets heated up it may catch fire, and this condition is called overloading. So you are overloading a circuit with many appliances, and if you don't take care of this fire, the fire may increase. So the second problem is overloading, and it happens when too many appliances are connected in parallel at the same time. So total resistance decreases, and due to that large amount of current flows through the circuit, and this causes the fire outbreak. So prevention, so we should not use too many appliances at same time, and we should use the fuse or circuit breaker of proper rating, and we should not connect too many appliances in a single socket. So let's solve one question on overloading. What happens if an AC of power 1.5 kilowatt is used in a circuit with fuse 2 ampere? So fuse has a rating of 2 ampere, that means it can allow the current up to 2 ampere. If the current goes beyond 2 ampere, this fuse melts. Now given potential difference is 220 volt, out here it's not given, but we know that in our houses we get 220 volt, and power is given 1.5 kilowatt, that means into 1000, so this is 1500 watt, and current rating is 2 ampere. So now power is V into I, so I is P by V, so I can write power is 1500 and V is 220, and if you calculate the current it will come 6.8, but the current rating is only 2 ampere, so fuse can allow only 2 ampere, but we need 6.8 ampere, so this fuse cannot hold this current and it will melt. Types of circuit. To understand the types of circuit, let's see the plug that we use at our houses. So we use two kinds of plug, one with bigger sockets and one with small socket. Even this socket is having holes for two kinds of plugs. So from here we understand that we use two kinds of circuit. So one circuit is called 15 ampere circuit, which is used by appliances with high power like geyser, iron, AC, and other circuit is 5 ampere circuit, which is used by appliances of less power like bulbs, fans, phones, etc. So there are two types of circuit, 15 ampere circuit and 5 ampere circuit. And the two main safety measures we use at our houses is electric fuse and earthing. Fuse is used to protect the appliances from excessive current, and the earthing is used to protect ourselves from the electric shock from the metallic body of appliances. These are the safety measures to be taken while dealing with domestic circuit. You can read by yourself. Thank you, and don't forget to like the video.
घर में ऑर्डिनरी वायर लगवाने से आपको लगता होगा मोर और लेस सेम ही है। ऑर्डिनरी वायर लगवाने से मोर शॉर्ट सर्किट, मोर आना जाना ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिशियन।